As you can see now, the Windows has just restarted normally. Then the first thing you are going to do is to modify the memory dump setting. If you first try to modify the memory dump setting in the system properties below by pressing the button key, and then they press Windows arrow, then type control on it, control.sisgm.cpl. Wait, hold on. The space, then click on OK. And then after that you go to advanced. Click on then if you see the startup and recovery, system startup, system failure, debugging information, click settings. Then are you seeing the system failure? Then click to untick automatically restart, and they write the debugging information about automatic. Then write debugging information automatic memory information. Then change from automatic memory dump to complete memory dumped, and then click OK. And then if the message asks you the changes you have made require you to start your computer before they can affect, click OK. Okay, then click OK too, and then the first you have to do is to click restart now. Then after the error message, after the message appears, before restarting, save any files and close all the programs. Click restart now. It will restart the system by itself, and you have to wait like few minutes. And you have to force Windows to shut down fully as completely. And then press the window keyboard, the window logo keyboard thing, Windows plus arrow, and then type msconfig msconfig in the dialog box. Then click OK. On the system configuration, go to boot. Then select check. Already on the boot options. Click to tick save boot. Save boot. Then click to apply, because it will make all boot settings or you can also click to tick to make all boot settings permanent. Then click OK. Then the message will tell you you may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before starting, save any open files and close all programs. Then click restart. And you wait for a few minutes. As you can see now, see now the PC just restarted to safe mode, and I have it to start to start to boot it normally to avoid preventing any errors. Then the next step to do is to update the essential the device drivers. Like for example, first you have to try to uninstall your antivirus software. Software to avoid deleting all your personal files, because if you do, it will wipe everything. It will wipe all your personal files, your documents, your games, your videos, your movies, or whatever. Or whatever. And then try to perform then you have to try to perform a clean boot and identify in which the service or program is causing the problem. And then then finally uninstall and then restore some essential device drivers or your system to device drivers or your system to find that if one of them it causes the problem. And also to try to disable the Windows Defender and the antivirus to avoid causing the problem. Problem in if you one of each time and then it will restart. So that's how it does, and it happens to me sometimes. It was February or March, but I could not remember. It was that day when I was when I was checking on my laptop. I enabled the antivirus of as a software, and I tried to clean everything for my laptop if there is problem on it. So when I realized, I found out that all my personal files, my documents, and my games disappeared totally. I could not find it anywhere. So I was disappointed. So that is how I was. So that's how I wiped that I deleted that app, which was antivirus software, because I don't need it again. Because I don't need it again. Let me not download again before they delete everything from my laptop. So that's how I do. I'm going to press the Windows key button to restart the PC again, to shut down the PC before the on again, and you wait for a few minutes. As you can see now, I've started to start my PC from safe mode to normally mode. It's because the system configuration is on is automatically system configuration, system boot is automatically on. It's automatically on. So I have to press the Windows plus arrow and type again and type the same thing. MOS config, then click OK. Then message will show you this task will be created with administrative privileges. Then press OK. Then go to boot. On the boot option, click to untick the safe boot. Then click apply. Then click OK. Then restart. As you can see now, it has restarted it to normally, and it to normally boot. Because normally boot because I went to system configuration to untick the safe boot options, so that the PC will restart normally. So that's how it does. And that's how to fix your PC running into problems and if you need to restart. But I just collected some error info and we will start it for you. It's very easy for you to fix, maintain, and troubleshoot any kind of a computer like a malware, infections and the virus. But don't download antivirus software that is about to cause a problem on it. So if you have it, delete it immediately on your PC, so that your PC will be saved. So if you have any questions, you drop a comment below and I will reply you. And subscribe to my channel, eseoghenedavisin in Roman numerals, and that's true on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. So see you in the next video.